Today I'm coming to you from my basement, which is filled with horrible, old, disgusting, outdated fluorescent lighting. Yeah, these tubes, and my basement is filled with them. This is such old technology. It's like a VCR or a fax machine. And yeah, I don't think anyone should have these anymore. Just look at this horrible, dim, flickering nonsense. So rather than buy more of these archaic bulbs, I decided to get a Retrofit LED kit. LEDs save you something like 60 to 80%. Like, it's crazy. I have, I think, 11 fixtures in the basement, meaning there's 22 of these bulbs. Now, I've already replaced the 4 surrounding me, which is why it doesn't look all dark and flickering like I'm in some kind of horror movie. And it's so ridiculously easy. I mean, if you're comfortable doing electrical work and if you're permitted to. But I figured I'd show you how quick and easy and effective it really is. I can't advise you professionally, do this at your own risk, don't even listen to me. Let me break open one of these boxes and I'll show it to you. So these are the new LED tubes. I'm not gonna plug a specific one, but I'll put some links in the description. You obviously need to measure and see which ones fit in your fixture. They're just LED tubes with magnets on the other side, so you could just pop them right in, and then wires on the other side. It also comes with an LED driver, which powers the tubes, and the one I got has a color temperature and brightness selector, and of course some wire nuts and screws. I'm gonna go shut off the breaker so I don't die, and then we'll pop these puppies in. Okay, I turned the breaker off, and now I'm just gonna pop this cover off. I'm just gonna remove these existing tubes. Smash! Don't do that. Now I'm gonna remove the metal cover that's protecting the old wiring and the ballast and all that. What's great about this is you don't even need to remove the old ballast in there. It's really just a matter of connecting a few wires and you're done. Now, I did turn the breaker off already, but before I go cutting wires, I am gonna test it with a multimeter just to be sure, because I don't like dying. All right, now I feel better. All right, here we go. And remember, I'm not a professional, so don't do anything I say. Don't try this at home. I suck. I'm just gonna snip all these wires right out of here. Get out of here. You get out of here. I'm snipping them on the ballast too. Just get rid of all these extra wires. I don't like wires just hanging there for no reason. Okay, so now I'm left with one black wire, one white wire, and one ground wire, which is the same as the LED driver. White, black, and green. Now on the other side, this clips into the actual LED tubes, and then you have the pink and purple wires in case you're a girl. I'm just kidding, they're for dimming. So I'm just gonna pop this thing right up here, and I'm gonna connect the white to the white, the black to the black, and the green to the ground. Okay, let's just strip these. I'm gonna attach them with the wire nuts. White, black, green. Just gonna tuck these extra wires back here. Okay, since I only have 2 hands, I'm gonna temporarily just attach these LED tubes to the cover so I don't have to hold a bunch of things. And then I'm gonna connect the wires. Okay, now I'm gonna place this up here, stick these in the little grooves. I'm gonna tuck all the wires in, including the ones that are gonna be sticking out for the LED tubes. Just stick them in as far as I can. Okay, and now I can close the clips. And now I'm just gonna spread out the bulbs a little so they're not right in the middle. Put one here and one here. All right, looks good. If yours has an adjustment for either the color temperature and or the dimming, now's the time to do it. All right, now I'm gonna put the cover back on. All right, the hardest thing for me was putting the cover back on. Yeah, let's just flip on the breaker and see how it looks. Let there be light! Okay, so that's it. Super easy. We can kiss these puppies goodbye. Well, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching.